इसको दूर कर दो, ये पलड़ा भारी है। कौन ऐसे ऐसे कहते हैं? हाथ खड़े, कोई भी नहीं है, नहीं। अब ये बताओ, इतने कौन से लोग जो कहेंगे भगवान जी हमको रोज अपनी सेवा दे दो और एक दिन आप हमको मिल भी जाओ? कितने हैं? ये हमारा बोले बड़े समझदार है। हाँ, ये कथा सुनते। अच्छा, इसलिए तो आप लोग बड़े अच्छे हो।
So we are here understanding about the importance of hearing Hari Katha, and through Hari Katha only we can actually understand the moods of Shri Guru, and then we will be able to serve Shri Guru. So that personality who got service of Shri Guru by the order of Shri Guru, so has he really followed Guru Purnima or not? Yes. I'll give you an example. There is one boy and the parents kept the name Dukhi. So that who is the servant of Krishna. So his name was Dukhi Krishnadas. Dukhi means sad. So can anyone who is the servant of Krishna be sad? He came to Vrindavan. I will just tell in short. There was a very big saint whose name was Jiva Goswami. Got connected with him and took teachings of Bhagavad from him, read so many grantha, and now Guruji said that you took so much, now you should serve also. He asked, Guruji, what service should I do? Oh, just broom, clean. Clean the streets of Vrindavan. And whatever you get while brooming, while cleaning, just give it to the owner, not to anyone else. Now with full responsibility, he cleans the streets of Seva Kunj. Guruji has told that you will get perfection through this only. So now someone may think that, oh, brooming, cleaning is a very small service. This service is called as Soni Seva in Vrindavan. A person might think that, oh, this is very low class service, very menial service. Why to do this? Why not do some better service? But the Guru told that you will get perfection through this only. Now, so now while cleaning, this personality, this servant of Jiva Goswami, he got an ankle bell of whom? Ankle bell of Radharani. Now this is not a very ancient thing, it's just 400-500 years back this instance happened. The Sakhis of Radharani, they came and they prayed. Oh, this is Nupur of Srimati Radharani. This is our mistress, ankle bell. Now, Shamanand Prabhu, he is reminding himself of the orders of Shri Guru that just give this to the owner only, not to anyone else. Now all the gopis were saying that just give us, because this is our Radharani, our mistress's ankle bell. But he said, no, bring your mistress here only and I will give her by my own hand. I cannot break the orders of my Shri Guru. I have to obey. Now all the gopis started saying that, see, like reaching Radharani is not so easy. Oh, if it is not easy, then you can go. But I will not
गुरु मुखा पद्मा चित्ते
transgress the orders of my Guru.
आर न करे
Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittete Kariye Aikya
गुरु जी ने
Arana Kahiro Mor Asha.
आदेश पर अटल हो। मेरे को प्रचार सेवा करनी है।
Guruji has given me an order and I will just do that task what he has given me.
बहुत सारी सेवाएं।
I'll have to preach, I'll have to do cooking for Guruji, I'll have to clean this and that. So whatever Guruji has told me that this is your service, so I have to just stick into that. I don't have to put my brain in that service itself.
तो बोलना पड़ेगा तो संकट दूर चलेगा। बोलना पड़ेगा अपने आप ही
In that service itself, everything will be attained, all perfections will be attained. And then there will be not any requirement of separate prayer to get away my sufferings, to get my sufferings away. See, the problem is that we all want that our suffering should be decreased, but we don't have faith in the service of Shri Lord Hari.
बेटा पूछने से आधी एनर्जी जिम्मेदारी लेकर भगवान की सेवा कर ले तो वो तो अपने आप ही निपट गया।
And if a person with responsibility serves Shri Guru
फॉर्मूला
with this just one formula, then everything will be
इसी को बोलते हैं
cleared. And we are not understanding that that's why this is called ignorance. And what Guruji comes, what Guruji do? Agyan timirandhasya jnananjana shalakaya.
अज्ञान मतलब होता है
Agyan means darkness. When the darkness happens, when the lights go off,
और चारों तरफ अंधेरा अंधेरा हो गया।
and everywhere it is just very dark.
उसी अंधेरे में एक
In that black dark state,
क्या हो जाता है?
if we just ignite a little lamp, then what happens? Everything becomes visible.
यही अंधेरा है
So that kind of darkness is there inside us, inside our heart,
जहाँ पर
in our life.
दीपक जलाते हैं।
And in that darkness, our Guruji, he ignites a lamp,
ज्ञान का एक
lamp of knowledge, lamp of enlightenment. And through that lamp, all this darkness dissipates away.
कि जितनी मेहनत की
What kind of darkness? This is this ignorance that I am telling. That all the strength, all the energy that we are using is only towards negative things.
एनर्जी वहाँ लगाई जा रही है।
We are applying so much energy into negative things, in pain, suffering, and this and that. If we just apply half of that energy towards the Lord, and then what happens? Once we get connected with the Lord, then we get connected with everyone.
एक उदाहरण समझो।
Just here with an example.
ये सच्ची घटना हुई है दिल्ली की।
This is the real incident of Delhi.
एक फैक्ट्री,
A factory.
कौन सी फैक्ट्री?
Which factory?
कोल्ड स्टोरेज।
Cold storage.
ध्यान से सुनना सभी लोग।
Hear this
कौन सी
carefully.
एक बात हमारे जीवन में उतर जाती है।
What is that one thing which enters into our heart, into our life, and just changes the direction of our life? That's why one should hear these pravachan, means
बहुत सारे बीज
these lectures very importantly. So cold storage is that place where many seeds and fruits and vegetables are kept inside for storing them for long periods. So that's why the temperature there is like -50, -40. That kind of temperature they keep in that cold storage to make these seeds and fruits and vegetables last long. Because if these seeds they get destroyed, then the grains will be finished.
बीजों को रखा जाता है हजारों साल तक।
There is a department in Delhi, the capital of India, where the seeds are kept for thousands of years. Because if the seeds die, they are destroyed, then the grains will be destroyed. There are like thousands and thousands of different kinds of seeds get preserved there.
करना पड़ता है फिर जाके।
How much we have to do? Like they have to do for the population. So their people obviously will be working, doing full-time job. Now to get inside that cold storage chamber, the person has to wear a suit so that there will be proper oxygen and proper temperature. Otherwise, a person will die out of cold. This is the real incident.
उसके बाहर एक गार्ड खड़ा होता है।
Now,
अब जो
outside that
करने वाले
place, that department, there was a guard. Now, all those workers of the department, they come inside and go outside the building. Now, there was one particular worker who
हाथ मिलाकर अंदर जाता था
every day used to shake hand with that guard and enter inside. And when he comes out, always shake hand and like greet while going back to home to the guard.
रोज ऐसे उसका नियम था महीने साल
So every day this was like a custom for that person. Both the person and the guard had a relationship.
तो गार्ड ऐसे के हाथ मिलाना
Nobody used to shake hand with him thinking, oh, he's a guard, why to shake hand with him?
भाई काम तो काम होता है
But this person,
छोटा कोई बड़ा
oh,
इसमें क्या है
he thinks that, oh,
गार्ड का भी उतना मान
everyone has a different task, different work, different job. So it's not that this guard is low and I am high. So he was having a very noble attitude and he used to shake hand with the guard. Now once what happened,
गया हाथ मिलाकर अंदर गया एम्प्लॉय
he entered into the building
उसका जो
greeting the guard,
था उसके अंदर लीकेज निकल आई
and when he entered into the cold storage chamber to do his
सारी
work,
निकल गई
uh,
इसका तो
the suit that he wore, it had got a hole,
सांस
and now all that oxygen got away.
खत्म हो गया
The temperature became normal to the minus 50 temperature. So he was feeling so difficult and he was having not even enough energy to go outside, to come outside that chamber. And see, this chamber is not a small, like a shop thing. It's like a big chamber, very, very big hall. So he is at the other end of the hall and he is not having enough energy to come out of that hall, that chamber. Now, what happened? By the evening time, 5 p.m., every day he used to greet the guard while going back to home. But today, the guard is thinking that it's already 5:15, 5:30, 6 o'clock, and he has not yet come.
किसी और की चिंता नहीं
Guard is not at all worrying about anyone else because nobody used to shake hand with him. Now the one who shake hand every day, he is obviously thinking about him only.
देखा 5:15 हो गए
So he saw that, oh, it's already 5:15 and it never happened like this. He always came out on time. So there must be some issue. So he applied an emergency button. He just switched on the emergency button.
जैसे दबाया तो पूरी टीम आ गई
Now at once the whole team came. Said, what happened? Oh, this one person came inside. He, every time he comes, but by 5:30, by 5 o'clock, but he has not yet come. So the rescue team went inside with the all the equipments and they found that he's just lying down there. At once they applied oxygen and closed, covered him and brought him outside that chamber,
मरने से बच गया
and he got saved by dying,
इसको मरने से किसने
saved from dying. So who actually saved him? The guard saved him. No, the guard didn't save him.
उसके रोज के
His
नियम ने बचाया
everyday habit
तो 100 लोग
of
जाते थे बाहर आते थे
greeting the guard. Thousands of hundreds of people they used to come and go,
उसके साथ
but nobody used to greet the guard. But that greeting of guard actually saved his life today.
फिर तो उसको कैसे पता
Otherwise, how would he get to know?
आने जाने
Like so many people are coming in and out. So are you understanding?
ये एक सच्ची घटना हुई है
So this is the real
और इसी से एक सीख
incident, and from this we should understand. Just learn one thing.
इस दुख वाले संसार में दुखालय में
This
दुखों में
place of suffering, we are actually suffering in this house of suffering, that is Dukhalyam, this world.
का निवारण
And
भगवान को छोड़कर और कोई नहीं हो सकता
nobody can actually save us from those sufferings except the Lord. But we don't have the reach to the Lord. Okay, we come, we pay obeisances.
ये चाहते क्या है
But what He says, what He wants, what He eats, we don't have any knowledge about that. So who tells us about that?
भगवान के सेवक गुरु जी
The Sevak of Bhagavan Shri Guru, he tells us.
बताते हैं ये इसी को कहते हैं अंधकार
So this is called as going from darkness to enlightenment,
तो इसलिए रोज
ignorance to enlightenment. So that's why every day when we come,
अगर गुरु पूर्णिमा मनाई जाए
every day if we follow Guru Purnima,
तो फिर औपचारिकता फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं रह जाती गुरु पूर्णिमा वाले दिन ही पुष्प देना है
then there is no such formality that I will have to offer flowers only on Guru Purnima day and just say that, oh Guruji, I am alive, I am your servant. No,
कमरे में बैठकर प्रणाम तो करूंगा,
Every day I will pay obeisances to Guruji in my room,
सेवा नहीं करूंगा।
but I will not serve Guruji.
इस प्रणाम का कोई मूल्य रह जाता है? थोड़ा सा रहता है।
Is there any kind of value of this kind of obeisances?
करके सेवा करता है,
No, but yeah, somewhat, but not real. So, but those who actually follow the orders of Guru and serve, so he do pay obeisances or not, his service itself contains pranam, obeisances, worship, everything is there. In 100 rupees, 90 rupees is there, and 50 rupees is also there. But in 50 rupees, 100 rupees is not there.
इन बातों को गुरुजी
All these things Guruji used to teach us.
और ये बातें सुन
And these things, hearing again and again and again and again, then we got to know this,
में गुरु
that in real, Guru Seva, Guru Puja, what it is in actual.
हमारे अंधकार को इस ज्ञान के द्वारा उन्होंने दूर किया।
They actually dissipated, removed our ignorance through this knowledge. That's why Agyan Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya. We worship that Sri Guru who has given us this pathway, this way,
ठीक रूप से
through which we are,
जीना तो सीख लें।
what to speak of doing bhakti, we should first learn how to live. We don't even know how to live.
उसमें भी गुरुजी बताते
In that also Guruji says, do this, do that, do this, do that.
अब आ जाओ इस कथा में। रोज वृंदावन की गली में झाड़ू लगाते,
Now every day it's brooming,
वो लोग
cleaning the streets of Vrindavan. And then he got that ankle bell. Now Radhaji's gopis are searching where the Radharani's ankle bell has gone. But
अपनी स्वामी
it says,
को लाओ अपने हाथ से लो।
Shyamanand Prabhu said that just give,
आना ही पड़ा।
bring your mistress and then I'll give it from my hand. So Radhaji had to come because
पैरों में नुपुर है, दूसरे में कान।
if she go back, then the mother-in-law would chastise, where is your other ankle bell? Now Radhaji came in front of that servant and said that please give me, this is my ankle bell.
यही जो
Now here, this disciple,
हाथों से राधा
he gave
को नुपुर अर्पण।
from his own hands the ankle bell to Radharani. Is it so easy to reach Radharani? No.
और राधा जी ने क्या किया?
And what Radharani did?
लेकर
She took that
क्या किया?
ankle bell and applied that on the forehead of Shamanand Prabhu.
निशान बन गया।
And as she applied, there was a name,
दुखी कृष्णदास
like a sign, print was applied on the tilak. So before the name was Dukhi Krishna Das, but since the meeting of Radharani, got the name Shamanand. First, Dukhi Krishna Das means sad Krishna Das, but now Shamanand, Sham Anand,
समझ रही बात?
blissful name.
सिद्धि हो गई। गुरु जी के एक
So he attained perfection, just accepted one order of Sri Guru, that is Soni Seva, that is cleaning the streets of Vrindavan, the Seva Kund street. And through that itself, got darshan of Radharani, got Nupur, the ankle bell of Radharani. And Radhaji, she herself gave a vigraha of Shyam Sundar.
सुंदर मंदिर है।
And that's what we have darshan in Vrindavan, Shri Radha Shyam Sundar temple. There is a small Shri Krishna.
अपने हाथों से
And Radhaji provided
से इनका नाम आ
them
गया।
to Shamanand Prabhu. And since then he got the name Shamanand Prabhu.
बताया गया एक बात को समझने के लिए।
So this was an example told
सेवा भी
saying that
गुरु जी के आदेश
just one service following the orders of Shri Guru, if we do,
उसी में ही सब
then in that itself one attains everything. It will take time, but you will attain everything.
किया और कल ही मेरे को लाखों रुपए आ जाए, ऐसा नहीं होता।
If you think that, oh,
बच्चा कल स्कूल चला जाए, ऐसा होता है?
I started the business and today only, next day only, I should get like $1 million rupees. This does not happen.
सफाई होगी,
It takes so much time to get the heart cleaned and develop new, better sanskaras, impressions, and through those good spiritual impressions, we get development of Shraddha in our heart.
इसलिए सारी सार बात की एक बात,
That's why the essence of all is
हर रोज गुरु पूर्णिमा मनाओ,
every day follow Guru Purnima.
वर्ष में एक बार नहीं।
Not just once, every day.
कैसे मनाई जाएगी?
How to observe that? The the process has been told.
सेवा भी कैसे?
And how to serve also? Here our we are seeing the darshan of our Guruji, Shri Srimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj Ji. He used to teach us this. See, whatever I am saying, I am not saying from my own understanding. I am just repeating what our Guru Vargas told us. He said that service also is of two kinds. One is servant and another is volunteer.
क्या होता है?
Volunteer.
वॉलंटियर। वॉलंटियर समझते हैं?
You understand volunteer?
अभी देखो संडे संडे कहीं सत्संग होता है तो
On every Sunday, you will find them having a badge and doing some social act, social work. So what is the meaning of volunteer? So volunteer, I did volunteer. So let me explain you in a simple language.
मेरा मन करेगा तो मैं
If my heart will tell me, or if my mood is there, then I will serve. If not, then I will not serve. If my mood is not there, I will not serve. So this is not service.
इसको सेवा नहीं बोलते। मन है या नहीं है,
Your mind is there, your mood is there or not, you are happy or sad.
है कि गर्मी
It's raining, it's hot.
को तो मंदिर में ये सेवा रोज करनी
I have to go to the temple and do this service every day for sure. This is called service.
और मन है या नहीं है, और मन खराब है या
Or, oh, my mind is, I'm not feeling good, so I will not serve. Oh, someone chastised me, so I will not serve.
में हजार लोगों की लात खाते हो, गाली खाते हो,
In your
मंदिर में क्या
sansar,
है?
in the world outside, you
रिश्तेदारी
like to hear so much of criticisms, chastisements, scoldings. You are very happy.
पता है ये मेरे विरोधी है,
Even the family members sometimes, the relatives, you know they are unfavorable, but still you invite them for your functions. But is the Lord not the real relative?
गुरु जी के
Not the real family member? Is Guruji not the real family member? Are the devotees not real family member?
स्वीकार नहीं होती।
And people do not get ready to hear one scolding of the devotees.
बाकी बच्चों की भी गाली सुननी पड़ती है।
Even the parents have to hear the scoldings and abusive words of the child also.
घर का बेटा
See, the
बात भी सुनता नहीं,
son of the house,
ऐसे निकम्मे काम करता है जिससे
he does not hear anything. Instead, he do all bad stuffs
एक भी
in the society and does not listen to the parents at all. And the Naukar means the servant of the house. He from morning to evening he cleans, he do everything.
बर्तन कर देता है और 30-40 साल से सेवा ही करता जा रहा है कुछ तो से।
And from last 30-40 years he's just serving.
वो संपत्ति किसके नाम पे करके जाए?
Now at the end, when the father will die, he will give the properties and everything to
बेटे के नाम
the son or to the servant. To the son, not to the servant. Why?
माता कह रही है नौकर की करनी चाहिए लेकिन करता नहीं।
Mata is saying that she should, like the father should
भाई को
transfer it to the servant, but he does not.
अपनी सारी वारिस नहीं
So will any person give all the property to the servant?
कैसे भी हो,
However the child is, bad or good, just give all the property to him only. Why? Because there is a relationship.
तो गाली भी स्वीकार है।
Even if they use abusive words to the parents, still they will get the property.
मैं तो मंदिर में नहीं आऊंगा,
And if someone would say anything,
गुरु आश्रम
then,
में नहीं आऊंगा,
oh, in the temple, then I will not come to the temple again. I will not go to Guruji because, oh, this thing happened, the devotee scolded me, this and that.
संबंध से
And in the house, you're getting so much scolding. From the world, you are getting so much scolding.
इन्हें बड़ी अच्छी बात कही।
So this is not the way.
ध्यान से समझो।
Guruji said one thing.
ये गुरु पूर्णिमा है ना,
This is Guru Purnima.
की वाणी कितनी सच्ची वाणी और practical
See,
बात है।
these words of Guru Vargas are so true and practical. I will ask you only. So I can ask anyone, just hear carefully.
अपने पिता की संपत्ति, उनकी जागीर बोलते हैं ना, जैसे
The wealth of one's own father, to get that, what is the qualification that is required? To get the wealth of the father, what is that qualification that is required?
पिता की संपत्ति लेने के लिए कौन सी एक सबसे बड़ी क्वालिफिकेशन, योग्यता चाहिए? एक माइक और भी इधर आके करो, ये बड़ा है ना।
कि वो जीवित रहे व्यक्ति
कथा सुनता है, ये कथा सुनता है इसलिए उत्तर दे रहा है।
That he should be alive, that's it.
वो सोचेंगे
Oh, because he hear Hari Katha, so he understands.
कि पैरों की सेवा करो,
Oh,
रोज पैर दबाओ,
to serve to get the wealth of father, one should, oh, I should massage the lotus feet of my father. Oh,
जब वो
I should do this and that.
जीवित रहेगा तो संबंध के कारण पिता की
But there is only one qualification, that is just to stay alive.
संपत्ति है
So the
पुत्र को अपने आप ही प्राप्त
wealth of the father will naturally come to the son if he is alive. If he dies,
प्राप्त नहीं
then he will obviously not get that wealth.
कहाँ से सुना?
From where you heard?
कथा सुनते इसलिए बता दिया।
Because he hears Hari Katha, that's why he knows. Otherwise, no one is able to tell that this answer easily.
क्या कहा आप सुनो ध्यान से।
Now hear this carefully.
देखो, अगर अपने पिता की संपत्ति चाहिए,
If I really want
ये चीज क्या है? मेरा
the wealth of my father, then I have to be alive.
अगर मर गया तो संपत्ति ले सकता
If I die, then will I be able to give that wealth? No.
हूँ। ये सबसे बड़ी
So,
क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए।
That's the biggest qualification.
तो कैसे दूंगा?
If I'm not alive,
बाकी सब
then how I'll get?
कौन है? सेकेंडरी है।
Every other thing is secondary. The main thing is
गुरु की संपत्ति
being alive. So in the same way, the wealth of Shri Guru, to attain that,
सबसे
if
योग्यता कोई
the biggest qualification
ध्यान से समझना।
that is required, and that is to stay alive.
उधर कान खोलकर सुन लो।
Keep your eyes and ears open and take this prasad today.
गुरु जी की संपत्ति क्या है?
What is the wealth of Guruji?
क्या है गुरु जी की संपत्ति? भक्ति और भगवान।
Bhakti and Bhagwan. What else he gives? Will he give you clothes and money?
उनकी संपत्ति है आप भक्ति करो और भगवान
His wealth
की
is
संपत्ति देने को आते हैं। हम पागलों को
Bhakti and Bhagwan, and he comes to give.
पैसा लेने आ रहे हैं।
We mad people think that Guruji is coming to us to take us some money, to take some money from us, to take some clothes from us, or he is hungry. He wants food from us. No, this is our stupidity. He actually comes to give us the wealth of his heart. And what is the wealth of his heart? That is Bhagavan
और उनकी भक्ति
and his devotion. Now hear this carefully.
की संपत्ति देने आ रहे हैं।
He is coming to give this wealth.
को प्राप्त करने के
He is coming to give, not to take.
लिए क्या है?
And to attain that wealth of Sri Guru's heart, the biggest qualification is to stay alive. That I should stay alive. What kind of alive? That I am breathing? No. Alive in bhakti. I should be alive in bhakti.
मेरे जो नियम जो मैंने
My
पालन करने हैं,
rules
नाम करना है,
and everything like chanting the holy name, following Ekadashi fasting, observing tithis. So this is called being alive. If I don't do Ekadashi, if I take the Harinam and I don't chant the holy name,
सेवा नहीं करता,
and I don't serve Thakurji, then I'm dead. I'm dead spiritually. I will be called dead spiritually, not alive.
तो ये जीवित रहना,
So this staying alive is very, very important.
उसका मतलब
And that means
सारी उसी पे आ गई।
now everything came on that
सेवक बन के गुरु जी की और भगवान की सेवा करने को ही सेवक कहा जाता है।
by properly serving,
कहा जाता है। और जो सेवा नहीं करता, कभी
this is called serving. And the one who does not serve properly with
नहीं मिलेगा।
habit, then if he is doing like a volunteer when the mood is there, then we'll not get the real result.
हनुमान जी
For example, Hanumanji.
राम जी की सेवा करते हैं
Hanumanji serves Ramji.
और बोलते हैं राम जी आज
He says, "Oh Ramji, today." Anytime he says that, "Ramji, today is Sunday. I need a break, please."
ये अभी मेरा मन नहीं है
"Oh Ramji, I'm just done. I did so much. I'm tired now, a little bit. Let me rest."
संजीवनी ले आया था
I brought Sanjeevni booty also. These herbs for Lakshman ji, and so much I did. So I also keeps awake at night, stays awake at night. So let me take a break. But no, Hanumanji is not a volunteer. He is a sevak. Now we might say, "Oh, this is Hanumanji," but we are not really.
की बात नहीं कर रहा और सभी स्थानों पर भी
But this is not the thing. Not just this place. So many places
भली वो सेवा
I have seen that they are regularly serving
मंदिर का सारा
with proper
वो भले ही बच्चे नहीं आता
rules and like with proper routine. Like for example, a person he serves accountant as an accountant of the temple. So he is doing service to his house, also doing his business. Plus at parallel, he do accounts for the Thakurji for the temple. There is one Mataji who was told that every day, please bring a bowl of kheer and offer it to Gopeshwar Mahadev. So that does it really? Is it very expensive? Is it very difficult? No, no. That person wants to just offer that sweet rice, even if there is storm, there is hot, whatever weather it is. So that's how. See, you have heard the different Harikathas of how Ashutosh, the Lord Mahadev is called as Ashutosh, means the one who is very, very easy to get satisfied.
देखा शिव जी के ऊपर घंटी हाथ नहीं जा रहा अब मोड़ा भी नहीं है चेयर भी नहीं है शिव जी के ऊपर ही खड़ा हो गया वो घंटी उठा
Now a person, he came to steal the bell of Shivji, the Shivling. Now there is no stool, there is no chair to actually stand on to pull that bell down to steal.
बेटा
Now what he did, he stood on the Shivling itself to get that bell. Now Shivji appeared and said that I am really happy with you. Some offers me water, some offers me milk, but you offered me yourself by standing on me.
नहीं नहीं मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया मुझे तेरा ऐसा नहीं है लेकिन मैंने ऐसा मांग लिया किसका बड़प्पन है
So that thief said that no, I didn't mean that. Oh, I know you didn't mean that, but I considered it because you were standing on me, so I thought you were offering me yourself. I considered it like that. So that's how Shri Guru is, Shivji is.
पूरा तो पूरा मुझ पर
That oh, he has offered his very own self like completely to me.
भाव सब
Now having darshan of Shivji, his moods changed at once. So this transformation is necessary.
जो लोग कंटिन्यूस
And those who continuously serve, we see this kind of transformation in their heart, in their life, and this is called Guru Purnima.
मैं आज यहाँ पर अम्बाला में
Today here in Ambala,
लंबी चौड़ी शास्त्रों की बात नहीं
I am not here to speak like big things of scriptures. From last 3-4 days we are saying a lot, but in a simple language, we are not saying any very philosophical or deep thing, because otherwise everyone will start scratching their head that what is this Guruji speaking? But we speak as per the time, circumstance and place. And this is the essence thing. We might speak thousands of shlokas, but if we don't serve, if we don't understand, then what to do? Just continuously speaking. I just memorized some shlokas, memorized some things to say. Like a parrot. He just mugged up, memorized.
एक गुरु जी से सीख लिया तो मैंने
A parrot learned from Guruji.
अगर अपनी जान बचानी
Said, the Guruji said that, hey parrot, listen. If you want to save your life, don't go to the seeds. Because the seeds are applied there by a hunter. That hunter will catch you when you will be having those seeds and he will kill you. So now the parrot is continuously saying this. He's saying, the hunter will come, he will offer some seeds, and you will go to that, and then
पेड़ पे बैठकर
you will what happen? You will be caught by the hunter.
शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल
Now
बिछाएगा,
he's just continuously just saying without thinking what he's saying much.
बात को समझा
Now
या रट रहा है बस
he just memorized it, not understood the essence of it, and that's what happened.
पागल दाना पड़ा हुआ है वही
The hunter came and offered the seeds, and he went there and he's standing on the seed about to eat that, and still he's saying that the hunter will come, the seed will be offered, and then he will catch you, and then you will be killed.
दाना क्या चुगा जाल
Now
शिकारी को
the parrot came,
पकड़ के ले गए उसको बांध दिया
just continuously murmuring this, and then he was eating seeds, and then the hunter, he caught him. And when he got caught by the web of, by that net of hunter, he's still saying this thing that the hunter will come, the seeds will be offered, and I'll be caught. So
इसलिए हम सोच
that's why it is important to understand that we can speak hundreds of shlokas, but the thing that I have said today to you
बड़े सरल सीधी भाषा में
in a very simple, easy language,
बाकी सारी बात समझा
this is the essence of all.
जो सेवा करेगा
The one who will serve,
पाएगा
he will get the real result.
तो क्या बोलते हैं
What is say?
है सो पावक
The one who is awake, he actually gets the available things. The one who is sleeping, he will not get what is available and it will get finished.
जो जागत है सब पावक है जो जागे
So here, sleeping and waking is not literal sleeping and waking.
का पैदा होता
Basically, it means that waking up means the one who understood this point and transformed himself, he will get benefit. And the one who is not really paying so much attention and just ignoring and not really taking it sincerely, then he will not get real benefit.
इसलिए जागिए
So that's why wake up.
तो
Utho re bhai, aar to samay na hai. Our Guru Maharaj used to say this.
सेवक बनिए
That's why become a servant, not volunteer.
ये बात मैं किस बल पर किस दम पर
On what strength I am saying this thing?
और भाषण नहीं दे रहा हूँ
And I am not speaking
मैं अपने
uh,
जीवन में पालन
like a lecture.
प्रयास करता हूँ
I am actually trying myself to my best
अपना उदाहरण
to
देकर एक बात बोल रहा हूँ
follow this
पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा
in my life.
सिखलाने के
I am giving you an example of my own, not to flaunt, but to
प्रचार
teach.
सेवा कोई आसान सेवा
This service of preaching is not an easy service.
बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं
So many people think that, oh, Maharaj ji keeps flying in the airplane, so nice, London airplane, Switzerland, London, Switzerland and all. Oh, Hawaii.
गीता का प्रवचन करने जाते हैं
People go there for tourism and you go for speaking Gita.
ज्यादा नहीं एक
So I tell them, not much, just stay with me for a month.
तुम्हारी नानी गुजर गई ना याद आ गई तो बता दो
And you will just start seeing stars in the day.
एक महीना हमारे साथ रह के दिखा दो जहाँ पर सोने को नहीं मिलेगा विश्राम करने को नहीं मिलेगा कभी यहाँ से वहां गए वहां दिन यहाँ पर रात फिर यहाँ रात वहां दिन कभी खाने को मिला कभी
But it's not so easy. There's so much of time difference. Here day, there night. Sometimes get to eat, sometimes not. Why? All this pain.
गुरु जी को देखा ऐसा
Just saw Guru Maharaj that he did like this.
आप कहेंगे गुरु जी
You will say that, oh, Guruji was a sannyasi, he could do it.
ऐसे बहुत सारे गृहस्थ भक्त
But there are so many household devotees, grihasthas also.
सीधी सेवा करते
They also serve like this.
हैं। ये सिर्फ सन्यासी की जाति है
This is not just a property of sannyasis.
तो
So,
बिना कष्ट के
without pain,
तो पैसा भी नहीं कमाया जाता
we cannot even attain or earn wealth, and we are here to
हम सगे
earn the holy name of the Lord, to attain, to earn the mercy of the Lord.
अपने ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है 10 झूठ
To actually earn money also, the father has to wake up early and go to office
अपने लिए अपने परिवार के लिए
for oneself and for one's family.
होता है कि नहीं
Yes or no?
उसमें भी तो कष्ट है
In that also, there is so much pain and sacrifice. And if in the service of the Lord we are also getting some pain, some sacrifice, some abusive words,
घर वालों की गाली
some scoldings,
रिश्तेदारों की गाली
So can we not tolerate? We tolerate the scoldings of our household, our family members. So it's necessary to tolerate.
जय से सही रहे।
Jai sahe se rahe. The one who tolerate, he will survive. Only those who can tolerate, they only can survive. The one who does not know how to tolerate, he cannot survive. This is about bhakti.
घर में बहू
In the house,
सहन कर लेती है थोड़ी बहुत चीजें,
a bahu means the daughter-in-law. She tolerates for some time and then she becomes the mistress. But on the first day itself, if the daughter-in-law she says, I can't tolerate this, then she will just keep fighting and does not get the real wealth. So this is every house's issue.
आप अपने दफ्तर में काम पे भी बहुत कुछ सहन करते हो कि नहीं?
Do you not really tolerate so much in your office also and everywhere? Does everything go as per your mind, as per your desire? No.
बहुत कुछ सहन करना पड़ता है।
In there also you have to tolerate so much. Arey, what to speak of that?
नखरे भी सहन करने पड़ते
Even many times you have to really
हैं। फैक्ट्री वाले नौकर के
bear
भी सहन करने
the
पड़ते हैं। चला गया
attitude of like the workers, because if the worker will leave, I will have to clean my factory.
वो तो नौकर है,
See, that is a worker,
कमाता है।
just earns 10-20,000.
बर्तन दे, आज इसको थोड़ा बोनस दे। अच्छा चल ठीक है, 2 घंटा कमा लिए, चल आप तो सही।
Okay, you can come 2 hours late, but at least come. So that's how the owner says to the worker.
क्या दिक्कत होती है?
So we are ready to tolerate everywhere, but why can't we tolerate here? It's most important to tolerate here.
यहाँ क्या दिक्कत है?
What's the issue here?
जो यहाँ सहन करना सीख
The one who learns to tolerate here, he learns to live actually.
आते हैं,
And those who come here, they come
सहन करने के लिए आते हैं।
to actually tolerate the teachings.
शिक्षा केंद्र है,
This is the teaching hub. This is not just a temple, this is a mutt.
मंदिरों में शिक्षा नहीं दी जाती।
In the temple, there is no education, there is no spiritual teachings. There only darshan of the Lord is there. There is no one to teach. But in the mutt,
दर्शन भी होता है,
there is darshan also, there is teachings also, and so much of lessons, so much of teachings, instructions.
और यहाँ पर आकर हमको बल्कि सीखना है।
But here, actually, we should learn that I should tolerate. I want to tolerate here. And all our Guru Parampara, they used to give an example of a tree.
पेड़ में आम लगे,
There are mangoes in the tree, and you threw a stone.
पेड़ में भी पत्थर फेंका,
So will the
क्या फेंकेगा वो?
tree also throws the stone at you? No. What the tree throws? Tree throws
उसने अपनी
fruits. I threw my stone and he gave me his wealth. For so long he was bearing that fruit and made it fully ripened, sweet, not relishing himself, but actually giving it to that person who is throwing stone at him,
छाया भी देता है,
and also gives what?
सर्दी में
Gives shade
पत्थर
in the hot weather, protect from sunlight.
दयालु कोई हो सकता है?
How can be anyone so compassionate and merciful? Yes.
गुरु जी और
Who can be like that? Guruji and Bhagwan only.
उनको आप गाली दे दो तो
You abuse them, he will still come to your house
उन्होंने सहन करने की शिक्षा ले रखी
because he has learned
है। घर जाकर
to tolerate. He has understood that, going to your house, I will not become small.
और छोटी सेवा करने से मैं अगर कल यहाँ झाड़ लगाऊंगा मैं छोटा नहीं बनूंगा।
And doing any menial service, I will not become small. I will be what I am. Instead, more maturity will be reflecting.
नखरे जैसे सहन करने पड़ते हैं, शिष्यों के नखरों को भी गुरु जी को सहन करना पड़ता है।
As we need to tolerate
अपने लिए
the issues with the child, with the children, the Guru has to tolerate the issues of the disciples as well.
कि तेरे को इतना सिखा रहा हूँ, तेरे को इतनी समझ नहीं है कि तेरे लिए क्या अच्छा है क्या अच्छा नहीं
We
है।
keep telling, the Guru keep telling, you don't know what's right for you, what's wrong for you.
भगवान के साथ जुड़ा के रखना है।
Somehow or other, I am keeping you connected with the Lord. I want to keep you because you came to me and I have given you the wealth of my heart a little bit, and that's why there is a relationship that has been connected with you. Oh, my dear disciple, my dear child, that's why I will just tolerate all your issues, and I will come to your house as well. And with folded hands, I will beg you that don't waste your life. This human life, it's so rare, it's so precious. Please serve the Lord. You serve the Lord. So much tolerance is required.
जब गुरु बनोगे
When you become a guru, then you will understand.
हमारे पूर्वज
Our Purvaj, our Guru Vargas, ancient people, our ancestors, they used to say this, that, oh, right now you are child, so you are doing so much of naughtiness, mischief. The day you become a father, you will get to know how much sincerity, how much responsibility comes,
दोस्तों के साथ 12 बजे आता
and how many things come in the life. The father, he told the child that come 9 o'clock in the house. Oh, but he is playing with the friends. But the father is not able to sleep.
है जब आज हूँ सब समझता हूँ क्या बिगड़ेगा
Now the child is saying that, oh, why are you worrying? I am big. I can just understand. Why do you worry? You should have slept. Now the father said, when you will become the father of your child, then you will get to know what kind of stress is this, what kind of worry is this. And the same, the mother also says. So this is what Guruji also is saying, that you are not Guru right now. You are a disciple. That's why you are not getting this into your head.
लेकिन जब गुरु बनोगे
But when you will become a Guru,
और बच्चे होंगे मतलब
and
शिष्य होंगे
then there will be disciples, then this thing will enter into your head that what kind of a big responsibility has to be taken. Sometimes the Guru has to hold the feet of disciples, saying that don't waste your life, serve the Lord. No, Guruji, I will not do. Okay, at least little bit you can do. Come.
आजा कोई बात नहीं
It's okay, just come.
सहन करना पड़ता है
How much tolerance is required? How much to tolerate? What do you know?
घर में पिता के ही 5 बेटे हो
In the house itself, the father has 5 children, and the 5 children are having different natures, and they are fighting with each other. It's okay, but then he keeps reconciling, harmonizing that it's okay. You are all brothers. It's the same family. Just ignore these small things and just move forward. Let's fine.
घर में तो 3 बच्चे
In the same way, in the house there are 3 children, 4 children.
2 की भी नहीं बनती
Now even the 2 children
किसी के तो 100
uh,
शिष्य 100 बच्चे हैं
does not get along, and Guruji has 100 disciples, and Guruji is seeing and hearing the different issues of different disciples.
एक ही उद्देश्य से मैं भगवान की सेवा में हूँ इनको भी भगवान की सेवा में लगाना है ये है जिम्मेदारी
So this is a responsibility.
सेवक की सेवा
This is not voluntary.
सेवा करना
This is the thing of the disciple, that he should be responsible and serve.
छोटी सी बात को अगर हमने अपने मन में बसा लिया
So if this small thing, if we insert in our heart, we will understand everything. If we don't understand the small things, then we will stay stupid only.
जैसे घर में बच्चे होते हैं
Just understand with this example.
गुरु और हम शिष्य
Like the parents are there in the house and there are children. In the same way, Guru and disciple. So don't talk small things. Become more mature now.
सहन करके अपना
And tolerate and chant.
ठाकुर जी की सेवा
Do mantras every day. Serve Thakurji and with a responsibility. Serve.
उस कनेक्शन के साथ हम लोग
And get connected into the right direction and keep walking. This is Guru Purnima.
समझ आई बात
You understood?
श्री गुरु पूर्णिमा की
All glories to Shri Guru Purnima. Shila Gurudev ki jai. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
कथा का समय था 7 से 9
The timing of the katha was 7 to 9.
10 मिनट बाकी है
So we have 10 minutes left here.
सोच रहा था
I was thinking that our
ये भक्त लोग बैठे हैं ब्रह्मचारी
devotees are here,
पता नहीं मैंने एक लाइन बोली वहां से कहां से
but I just started one line and one after another, I just went into the flow.
कुछ भावनाएं आ रही थी
Some moods were coming, some thoughts, some emotions were coming which I wanted to describe.
मैं इनको अच्छा ट्रांसलेशन कर रहा हूँ, तो राष्ट्र को आप करें।
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। बोलो श्री गुरु पूर्णिमा महामहोत्सव की
जय हो।
जोर से बोलिए, श्री गुरु पूर्णिमा महामहोत्सव की श्री गुरुदेव की। हम सबका सौभाग्य है श्री कुंज बिहारी गौड़िया मठ में हम सब एकत्रित हुए।
It's our great fortune that we are present here at Kunj Bihari Gaudiya Math.
गुरु परंपरा के सब लोग यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं। सभी जगह श्री गुरु पूर्णिमा महोत्सव को
In the whole world,
नाम से मनाया जाता है।
Guru Purnima festival is
गुरु पूर्णिमा
organized and celebrated.
लेकिन
But
बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंट बात श्री गुरुदेव
a very important point that Srila Gurudev used to say, which we heard from Guru Maharaj, from Srila Gurudev, Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj ji, that most of the people, what they think,
कि गुरु तो वो है जिनके बहुत सारे शिष्य होते हैं।
Guru is that who has so many disciples, or who will have a very big temple, or he will have many branches at different places.
वो आसन पर बैठते हैं
He would be sitting on a very big asan, and
बहुत सारे क्या हैं,
there is Instagram, Facebook, and he's having a lot of followers.
लेकिन ये गुरु की पहचान
But this is not the identification of Shri Guru. If we go as per
तो श्रीला गुरुदेव इस बात को कहते थे
the words of Guru Varga, so Srila Gurudev used to say this, that our Guruji's Guruji, whose name was Srila Gaur Kishordas Babaji Maharaj, how many disciples he had? Only one disciple, that is Srila Prabhupada.
श्रीला भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर के कितने इंस्टीट्यूशन थे?
How many institutions Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur had? No
कोई
temples,
बहुत बड़ी संपत्ति नहीं।
no big properties of temples and all those things.
और गुरु परंपरा जैसे गुरु वर्ग।
But Guru Vargas should be like our Guru Prabhupada and Guru Parampara, who were
डूबे हुए हैं
completely soaked into the thoughts of, into the philosophy of Bhagavad.
एक है ग्रंथ भागवत,
One is Granth Bhagavad and another is
भागवत
Mahabhagavad, like the person Bhagavad who actually applies the teachings of Bhagavad into one's heart.
कहते थे।
And this is what Gurudev used to say.
गुरु की पहचान नहीं कि बहुत सारे उसके followers
So this is
हैं।
not the identity of Guru, that he has many followers and many institutions. Guru is that only who gave us the teachings of Krishna Bhakti, who is immersed in Krishna Bhakti.
श्रीला प्रभुपाद जी को
Srila Prabhupada ji,
गुरु श्रीला भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
his Guru, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur told this,
तुम मंदिर नहीं बनाना।
that you don't build temple.
श्री गौर किशोरदास बाबा जी महाराज ने शिष्य धारण नहीं करा।
And also said that don't accept disciples.
श्रीला प्रभुपाद जी ने बहुत सारे शिष्य बनाए।
But Srila Prabhupada ji accepted so many disciples. Our Guru Parampara moved forward.
तो
And
क्या श्रीला प्रभुपाद जी ने ये गलत किया?
has Srila Prabhupada ji did anything wrong?
किया था
He
शिष्य नहीं बनाना। गुरु पूर्णिमा के विषय में हम सुन रहे हैं।
So we are hearing about Guru Purnima.
प्रभुपाद जी के ही एक शिष्य हुए, उन्होंने गुरु जी के विषय में बताया। हम लोग भागवत कथा में सुनते हैं, हम सभी जीवों का जो स्वरूप है वो है भगवान के, हम क्या है, नित्य दास। जीवे स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास। हमारा कर्तव्य क्या है? भगवान कृष्ण।
Our Swarup is that we are the eternal servant of Krishna, and this is our dharma, this is our duty to serve Krishna. But our Guruji says one thing,
यहाँ जो कृष्ण शब्द
that the word Krishna that is applied here,
से वाले कृष्ण है,
which Krishna is it?
क्या ये गोलोक वृंदावन वाले कृष्ण है?
Is it the Krishna of Golok Vrindavan?
यानी मेरे विचार से ये कौन से कृष्ण हैं?
No. Oh, by my understanding, he is that Shri Krishna who accepts the form of a guru and appears in front of me and comes to me and teaches me Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha,
समझाते हैं कैसे माला करनी
teaches me how to chant,
जरूरी है,
how
मठ में आकर कैसे सेवा करनी
to follow Ekadashi, how to serve.
तो वे कृष्ण जब गुरु रूप में मेरे
So that Shri Krishna, when he comes in
माया से
the form of Guru in front of me
मैं फंसा हुआ हूँ,
and delivers me from this Maya, the material world in which I am stuck, and applies me into the service of Radha and Krishna. So that Shri Krishna,
नित्य दास। तो क्या करें? जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास की जगह अगर मैं कहूँ जीवेर स्वरूप है गुरु नित्य दास,
so Jivera Swarupa hai Krishna Nitya Das.
गुरु जी का।
With this, if I say that Jivera Swarupa hai Guru Nitya Das, so that is also true, because Krishna is not in front of me directly. He's not saying anything. If we talk to Jagannath ji, he will not say anything. But in front of Guru ji, if you do not keep prasadam plate properly and there is any issue,
तो गुरु जी क्या
then what Guruji do? Guruji chastises.
करते हैं? समझाते हैं,
Guruji chastises and tells, hey, this is not the way to serve Bhagavan, not for his own self, but for the service of the Lord. Why? Because the goal is what? He wants to take us to the Dham, to the abode of Lord. So this thing
समझने की है वे
is something that we need to understand, that what Krishna is this? Who is that Krishna? So that Krishna has come in the form of Shri Guru and he wants to take me to Goloka Vrindavan directly. He wants to engage me in their service and offer me to their lotus feet, but I have forgotten this. I, being into this Maya, I have actually forgot that I am the eternal servant of Shri Krishna. I am the servant of Shri Guru. And that's what Guru explains. See, Guruji, he
बंधन है,
tries so much to cut the knots of our heart that somehow or other he gets engaged into the service of the Lord and move forward into that service. As Guruji just said today, that the issues of the disciple, Sri Guru, he bears that, tolerates that. There is not just one disciple, there are many disciples a Guru has.
गुरु जी को कहा कि गुरु कौन है? साक्षात भगवान की कृपा मूर्ति है।
And the Guru, he is
बहुत सारी शक्तियां होती हैं,
Kripa Murti, he is the embodiment of mercy.
कृपा मूर्ति वाली शक्ति भगवान की सारी शक्तियों में सबसे श्रेष्ठ होती है, उसका नाम होता है कृपा शक्ति।
Among all the potencies of the Lord, the topmost potency is the mercy potency, the compassion potency, and that compassion potency, when takes a form, becomes Shri Guru. So that Shri Guru provides the mercy of the Lord, the compassion of the Lord on us. That Shri Guru is called as Sakshat Haritvin. That Guru is like, he is Bhagwan, he is like Bhagwan. Many people get confused with this. Our Prabhuji explains this, that so many different sampradayas are saying, like Atibadi,
गुरु जी को ही
where they says that, oh,
क्या है वो ये पता ही नहीं।
they just consider Guruji as Bhagwan and they ignore Bhagwan himself. They will offer tulsi to Guruji's lotus feet And in other sampradaya, they are like, oh, they will consider Bhagwan only and nothing of Guruji. But the beauty of our Gaudiya sampradaya is that in a proper way,
गुरु जी के अनुगत्य में ही राधा
it has been taught that how we can attain the service of Radha Krishna as per the guidance of Shri Guru only.
सही है
The Guru knows that what is good, what makes Lord happy, what pleases Lord and everything. So that what are the moods of Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, all those moods,
होने के कारण हमें सिखलाते हैं कि यहाँ पर भगवान क्या
Shri Guru explains
भगवान दूसरे से ये बात कह रहे हैं।
that what is the mood of the Lord in this.
जैसे हम कई बार
Or the Lord is saying anything.
जैसे प्रभु का नाम है राम,
See, for example,
राम इधर आओ,
uh,
और कोई ऐसे कहे राम इधर आओ,
a person says, Ram, come here. And another person say, he seems like, Ram, come here.
गुस्से से कोई कह रहा है
So if we'll read, we will not get to know that it has been said with love or with scolding. So in the same way,
उसमें क्या किस भावना से बात लिखी है वो मैं तो नहीं समझ पाऊंगा। माया में फंसा जीव उसको कौन समझाते
so I cannot understand the moods of the Lord which are written in the scriptures. So who explained that? Shri Guru only explained that. So that Shri Krishna, he comes. Krishna is called as Jagat Guru.
राधा रानी मेरी भी गुरु है,
And Krishna says that Radha Rani is my Guru, Prem
राधा
Guru.
रानी की ही वही जो प्रकाश है
And the manifestation Radha Rani is Shri Guru. So that Shri Guru comes in our life
ये सब कुछ सिखलाते हैं।
and he teaches everything.
बात
So we don't have much time.
हरे
So we conclude. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। व्यासपीठ में विराजमान मेरे गुरुदेव, आज गुरु पूर्णिमा महोत्सव आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। श्री गुरु पदम वाक्या
I congratulate you all for Guru Purnima festival.
दूसरी मेरा एक बहुत सा श्लोक पुराण ये हमारी आरती के अंदर कहती है कि गुरु की आज्ञा का पालन करना।
It is told
गुरु की आज्ञा क्या है?
that one should follow the words of Guru. What is the meaning of Guru's
इसको मैं आपके
orders?
कथा के माध्यम से समझाता हूँ।
I will explain you with a katha that why Guru is very important in our life.
गुरु से जुड़ा संबंध है।
The one who is connected to Guru, he every moment he is blissful.
एक कथा सुनी है आज आप
Everyone has heard one katha of Ajamil.
किसने सुनी होगी?
How many of you have heard the katha of Ajamil?
भागवत में हमारे गुरु महाराज
In every Bhagavad,
कथा सुनी।
Guru Maharaj Ji speaks about Ajamil Katha. Ajamil Katha inspires us that why it is important to have a Guru in the life.
जीवन में गुरु को धारण किया था।
Ajamil also had Guru in his life. And when he had Guru in his life, he used to go for darshan of Shri Guru every day.
जब वो घर से निकलता था और गुरु
And taking darshan, for darshan when he goes out of the house,
सामने से लग आती है।
there are two ways. There are two paths to go to Shri Guru.
गुरु ने आज्ञा दी अजामिल को कि जा-
So Guru ordered Ajamil that whenever you come from this path and not the other path. So in Ajamil Katha, we know that Ajamil was a Brahmin and he married a prostitute and destroyed his family life.
गुरु जानते कैसे थे?
So Guru knew this.
अपने पिछला भविष्य जानते थे। भविष्य में क्या था? पूर्व जन्म के अंदर अजामिल
In the previous birth, Ajamil
हठ ऋषि था। हठ ऋषि मतलब क्या?
was a
नाम था हठ ऋषि।
Hat Rishi.
किसी भी चीज को अगर हठ कर देता था तो प्रण कर लेता था ये काम करना है।
So whatever he decided, he used to do that task. So one day
भगवान की प्राप्ति करनी है।
he decided to attain the Lord, and for that I want to do some sacrifice. So what kind of sacrifice? Austerity. Entered into austerity. So much entered into that trance that even the rainfall is coming, anything is coming. He just got filled with.
सर्दियों में क्या हुआ कि शरीर पर बर्फ दबनी शुरू हुई। जब बर्फ दबनी शुरू हुई तो उसका यहाँ तक बर्फ ही बर्फ।
So his body used to get filled with water, get covered with snow in the winters. So like that. Now on that same path,
भगवान की प्राप्ति के लिए
a girl, she was passing through that path.
ये तो बचेंगे नहीं।
And she thought that, oh, this person who is doing so extreme austerity, he will die like this. So she started removing the the snow. And now that girl touched the body of this rishi. And as she touched, the rishi's austerity got broken. And he opens the eyes and see that, oh, this girl has touched me.
तूने मेरे तपस्या को भंग कर दिया।
Now,
वो कहते नहीं गुरु
with the open eyes, he said that, oh, you just broke my austerity. What kind of bad girl you are.
आपकी बर्फ हटाओ ताकि
Now the girl said that, no, I was thinking that I should just remove the snow and let you do austerity nicely. Now this rishi said that the kind of act that you did, you will become prostitute in the next life. Oh, I am the daughter of a Brahman. I was not having such moods. So don't give me such kind of curse. But he was a hurt rishi. So he just said it. It just said the curse that you will become the prostitute. Now
गुरुदेव अगर आपकी तपस्या है
this girl became very upset and said that if you are cursing me like this, I will also curse that if I become prostitute, then you will become attached to me as well.
कि ये बात श्राप से दोनों ग्रहित है।
Now, Guru knew that
इस बात को माना
both that Brahman girl and Ajamil, they were having curse in the previous life to each other.
आगामी के मन में भाव होता है।
So that's why Guru told Ajamil that always come from this path, not that path. Now Ajamil once thought that, oh, what's the issue if I follow the another path? Let me just follow the another path which Guruji has told not to come. And when that day he came on the path of that path which was not told by Guruji to follow, and that day on that path he got attached to that prostitute and he fell down. So that shows that how important Guruji's words are in our life, how we should accept those words of Guru, that those words, those teachings should not be ignored. So that's what I am telling everyone.
हम सब लोग यहाँ गुरु के पीछे हैं।
We all are disciples of Guruji, accepted initiation,
लास्ट बैंक मानता हूँ।
but I consider myself as the last bencher.
तुम लीडर हो, तुम आगे बैठो। कोई लास्ट बैंक में ही बैठता है। हम उस रेस्ट्रिक्शन में से हैं।
So I am that disciple who always sit in the last bench.
गुरु जी की पूर्णिमा के ऊपर यहाँ पर उपस्थित हूँ।
Only
गुरु जी ने
have appeared on Guru Purnima only.
जीवन के अंदर
I beg forgiveness to Guru that there are some issues, some things with of my life, because of which I am not able to come to the temple more, and I could not come to the Bhagavad.
और उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि मेरी सब क्षमा को आप माफ करके मुझे आशीर्वाद देंगे। मैं इसी तरह
I
आपसे अपने विचार
beg forgiveness to Guru.
आज
Today
गुरु पूर्णिमा
is Guru Purnima.
मैं जैसे ही इस प्रांगण में एंटर हुआ
As soon as I entered into this
नहीं हुआ था। कई बहनों ने
temple,
मुझे रोका,
many didis stopped me and said, Prabhu, we want to say something. We saw you so many days later,
आज चरणों में
but
झूठ सुनाइए।
you please sing that bhajan
माध्यम से आप सबको आगे करूंगा कि जो मेरे भजन के शब्द हैं आप सब लोग ही जानिए कि
that touches the heart of Guru.
आप अपने
So-
मुखारबिन से गुरु के चरणों में वो शब्दों का उपयोग करके गुरु की सेवा करें और आज गुरु पूर्णिमा के ऊपर उनका आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करें। तो सब लोग मेरे साथ मीठी तालियों के साथ
Please join for this kirtan. We will offer this kirtan for Shri Guru.
ओ मैं बलिहारी नामा तेरे सतगुरु आए साथे